Hey guys, today's video is a tribute to honor the life of Tina Turner. Let's bring her to life with Polymer clay. Tina Turner, born Anna Mae Bullock, appeared onto the music scene with her dynamic voice and energetic performances. Despite growing up in hardship in Nutbush, Tennessee, Tina's sheer talent and resilience propelled her into the spotlight. She gained fame in the 1960s with her then-husband Ike Turner. However, this was a period of immense struggle for Tina as she dealt with domestic abuse and personal trauma.
Living under the fear till nothing else remains. We don't need another hero. We don't need to know the way home. All we want is life beyond the Thunderdome.
In the 1980s, Tina Turner made a monumental comeback. Her album Private Dancer, which included the hit What's Love Got to Do With It, marked her transformation into a successful solo artist. And it wasn't just a commercial victory or achievement for her, but a personal one too. She had triumphed over adversity, establishing herself independently of Ike Turner, her former husband, and in doing so she became an inspiration for countless people around the world. For me, Tina was always some kind of companion over the years. While listening to her in the radio, I was a small child and listening to her in the radio, her voice was so remarkable, and listening to her songs, listening to her messages within the songs also inspired me a lot. Tina Turner's enduring legacy isn't just defined by her powerful voice or the energetic stage presence and performances, but by her spirit. The most remarkable condolence message which popped up on my screens were the one from Barack Obama. Tina Turner was raw. She was powerful. She was unstoppable. And she was unapologetically herself, speaking and singing her truth through joy and pain, triumph and tragedy. Today we join fans around the world in honoring the Queen of Rock and Roll and a star whose light will never fade. She was a survivor, a woman who overcame immense challenges, like bringing her two sons to a grave, and yet never stopped pushing her limits. Her music career spanned more than half a century, and she touched millions of hearts with her artistry, but also with her soul and with her spirit.
You must understand, the touch of your hand makes my pulse react.
But perhaps more importantly, Tina Turner embodied strength. She meant resilience and power of transformation. If you don't believe that, listen to her songs for a couple of minutes and see how you feel after that.
You must try to ignore that it means more than that. Oh, what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? It may seem to you that I'm acting confused when you're close to me. If I tend to look dazed, I read it someplace. I've got cause to be. There's a name for it. There's a phrase that fits. But whatever the reason, you do it for me. Oh, what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do?
One last comment from my side. Over the past 1-2 years, I've been struggling a lot in my personal life with different issues. And learning about Tina's life, listening to her songs, made me realize that she all achieved that, not despite of, but maybe even because of all the struggle.
Taking on a new direction, but I have to say, I've been thinking about my own protection. It scares me to feel this way. Oh, what's love?
Listen, I don't have to tell you how hard life can be. Everyone has these issues, really, really hard, devastating things in their life. Tina is a symbol for us. Her power of transformation and her resilience mean that you will be okay. You decide what things mean to you, what they do to you. You are able to deal with all that stuff. So, thank you so much, Tina, for this huge message. You're leaving an unforgettable mark on the world. And now let's see if we can bring the clay puppet to life.
I call you, I need you, my heart's on fire. You come to me wild and wild. You come to me, give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises and a world of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. And it can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong. You're simple.